Hello, this is a CryptoLambo, and today we are taking a look at the data processing layer for next-gen AI, and this is Timeworx. And more importantly, we have the Timeworx TIX token launching on the Found platform. So it's important to pay attention today and take advantage and access of the pre-sale wrapped. Of course, cryptocurrencies can be risky and volatile, and nothing in today's video should be taken as financial advice. So now let's dive right in. So Timeworx itself has an AI x human decentralized data layer. It's scalable, transparent, and efficient. So you can actually get rewarded by shaping the future of AI and earning money through their human data labeling. So this is labeling data that AI could not do originally in order to, of course, train and improve the systems. So you can label different objects, working out what's happening in pictures, videos, and actually earn from this inside their app themselves, which is great. Simply by signing up, connecting wallet, and start earning and solving tasks, you can be up and running in minutes. Additionally, you can also get better with time, and there are 5 key metrics on your punch card, which is an NFT. So this will take a look at your speed, proficiency, reliability, and versatility in order to, of course, track how well you are labeling the data to filter out bad actors and, of course, gamifying the whole experience. But then, of course, as a business, you can then get your data labeled to help build out your AI model. So it's a great platform for both sides, giving, of course, affordable data labeling at scale, again, flexible, accurate, and optimized with responsive pricing, and making this fully decentralized. There's, of course, the all-in-one toolbox that annotates your data, whether that's text, image, video, audio, or tabular. And, of course, get the ground truth here. We can see quality out of the box of your input, tasks, agents, and consensus. So there's a lot happening on the Timeworx ecosystem. AI is a huge sector of crypto and probably the biggest primed to boom. And that's why it's a huge opportunity for the Timeworx TIX pre-sale. So this is launching on Found for the IDO. And let's take a look here. So they're raising $150,000 in this with a price of 0.0275 per TIX token. We can see the token metrics with a 40% TGE unlocked, followed by 6 months linear vesting, initial market cap of 426K, and a round valuation of 13.75 million. We can take a look at the full tokenomics here in a dot as well. So we then have the details about Timeworx itself here. Of course, some of the highlights: human and AI agents with a huge 4 billion data labeling market. Of course, enabling fairness, privacy, and trust in AI. Trustless by design, multi-chain from day one. More than 1.5 data labeling tasks sold with up to 98% accuracy. Over 1,000 MAU is spending 30 plus minutes per day solving tasks in the mobile app. Under 1 minute from installing the app to getting rewarded from your first contribution to the future of AI. So what I had already touched on, over 700K raised to date from agent investors and Republic.com, and a product-driven team solely focused on solving the ground truth for AI. So you can dive further in on the white paper. If we go through the rest of the main site here, we can see, of course, there's spotlight on quality and building the next gen AI. So you generate your human content based on requirements, annotate your data through that data labeling, evaluate with your feedback, and then, of course, deploy your machine learning models directly on the platform and earn a reward through monetizing. So their socials, you can follow them on X, Telegram, and join a Discord. We can see here, the moment is here, and they're going public with top launch pads and the first tier CEX confirmed. Tix is ready for its brand debut. Stay tuned and keep everything up to date. We, of course, can see the project is KYC'd with solid truth, so it will secure and audited. Yeah, it's very exciting. Here is actually a nice place for key highlights. So we can see decentralized data pipelines, fair AI and gamification, privacy-preserving federated learning, trustless inference network, and mobile-first agents. Token utilities, so these TIX tokens are used for payments and rewards, staking and delegation, so securing the network as well. Fees fund a burn pool for deflation, so the token itself is deflationary. NFT safeguards, claim and stake rights, and dynamic pricing for task rates. But of course, IDO details here. So really nice kind of keyframe showing, of course, the supply and the split of the tokens. The moon sheet showing your potential ROIs based on different market caps. And of course, it's an AI token. It's in a huge industry. They have a great product already out there. And if they can deliver on their future roadmap, I think this one could be a massive jet. But I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. This has been CryptoLambo. See you next time on the channel.